You what's up mga ka-reels? Today, I'm gonna teach you what is the singular or plural of this word. Banana, carrot, star, and kamote. Plural and singular is a very difficult words to explain. The plural of the banana is banana and the singular is banana Q. So, that's the difference between banana and the banana Q, the singular and the plural. And the star is singular. Star is from the heaven. So, if we use to plural, it's begin now is a star margarine. So, we use now is the pampalaman. So, from the heaven to pampalaman. Star is the singular, plural is star margarine. So, the next word is the kamote. Kamote is nabubuhay ito sa lupa. So, we call singular. So, ang plural naman ito is banana Q. So, niluto na siya kasi plural na siya eh. Banana Q. So, yun na yung plural niya. The next word is carrot. Carrot is galing din ito sa lupa. Doon din siya nabubuhay. So, the singular of carrot is carrot because it's a single word. So, now is the plural of carrot is carrot man. So, ngayon, carrot man na siya kasi inaano na siya ng tao. Tao na yung humuhukay sa kanya. So, the singular of carrot is carrot and the plural is carrot man. So, kasi plural na eh. May tao nang kumuha sa kanya eh. So, carrot man na po siya. So, thank you po sa lahat ng nanonood. Sana ay like, share, and follow po kayo sa aking mga video at nagustuhan niyo po ang aking turo na plural and the singular word. Thank you.